This is final project, full demonstration of our heat sensor with the output to the LEDs and the PuTTY screen. Here you see the screen, keyboard, and mouse for activation purposes. We have the Raspberry Pi, and we also have the cobbler, which is then connected to the ADC, the heat sensor, and then the output to the LEDs. So to begin, we are going to go ahead and turn on the monitor. Once the monitor shows up, what we'll do is we'll activate the Pi. And as the Pi boots up, you will see it going through its boot sequence and eventually to the command prompt. Once the Pi fully boots to the command prompt, we will go ahead and activate the board, which begins by typing LS, which is for a listing. And we're going to go ahead and type in to activate and access our files. And then to activate the actual project. And then once we're on that project, we will go ahead and begin the demonstration by running the temp file. As soon as it goes ahead and runs, you will see that it starts producing our temperature in Celsius, which starts off at 22.9. And we'll go ahead and show the cobbler, which has its activation mark across the ribbon. And here you can see our LED. Right now that is the blue LED, which is kind of bright in the camera, but that shows that it's about room temperature in here, which is anywhere from about 70 to 72 degrees. Now, for demonstration purposes, I will go ahead and show the screen, and then I'm going to touch this temperature sensor. So you can see immediately it goes up to about 24 degrees Celsius. With it hitting about 24 degrees Celsius, you can see that now there's a blue and then a green LED lit. Again, because of brightness, it is hard to see, but they're there. So now I'm going to go ahead and place my finger on the temperature sensor to activate all 4 LEDs. As the temperature rises, you will see that it will eventually activate the yellow LED, where it now just came on. You can see it is now at about 29 degrees Celsius. And then eventually, as the heat continues to rise, it'll activate the last red LED. There's that one. And now it's about 32 degrees Celsius, which is about body temperature around 98 degrees and rising. So as you can see with the constant output, as soon as I release the temperature, you can see that it is now going down. And when it drops back to about 28 degrees Celsius, the red went off. And as it's continuing to go down, it's going to go ahead and go 27. And if it actually cools, you can see now 2 of them have turned off. And it'll slowly go off until it drops down to the blue. If the temperature is below 72 degrees, the blue LED will go off as well. It does not activate until then. If you wanted to add more LEDs with a lower temperature or a higher temperature setting, that's always possible. It's just adding a simple piece of code with the new temperature settings, and then that is it. That is, once again, our project and the project demonstration. This project was created by Ernest Bean and Isis Martin for our Embedded Systems class.